the best viewers in the world. Are you tired of the hustle and bustle of the city? Looking for a place to explore for a day? If you live in the capital and are fed up with the noise, this video is for you. Join me as I introduce you to Afjeh, a hidden paradise on the outskirts of Tehran. Afjeh is situated 2,020 meters above sea level, making it a cool climate destination. It's best to visit in spring and summer, especially during May and early June, when Afjeh is at its most beautiful. This video was filmed in the early days of winter. Some of the attractions in Afjeh include the Pastuik waterfall, Moab waterfall, Havij Plain, Cherokhan neighborhood, Nasser al-Din Shah Palace, Saka Castle, Qajar Bathhouse, and La Plain. In upcoming videos, we'll explore these paths together, so make sure to hit that notification bell to stay updated. Here are a few tips for your trip to Afjeh. As mentioned earlier, Afjeh has a cool climate. If you plan to visit during the colder months, be sure to bring heating equipment with you. There are no official accommodations in Afjeh. If you wish to stay overnight, you'll need to bring camping gear and be cautious of wild animals. Avoid using water from the rivers and waterfalls as drinking water while picnicking or camping. Remember, visiting Afjeh as one of Tehran's nearby villages can be a fantastic option for a day of fun and a break from the city's chaos. Don't miss out on this chance to explore.
Hold me close till the sunrise. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Thank